When we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, attracting abundance towards us, we cannot forget about money. Money is an important part of abundance. Then we have enough and we can circulate enough, provide enough, have enough for ourselves. When we talk about money, attracting money, we cannot forget about our relationship towards money. For some, relationship with money is of stress, anxiety, scarcity, fear. And for some, it is a sign of strength, control, luxury, comfort, abundance to provide enough. Or it can be anything else for you. Think about it. What is your relationship with money? When you improve your relationship with money, you can start attracting money too. Yes, if we don't have a positive relationship with money, money will not come to us. It is, as said, money is just energy. Whatever goes around comes around to you. If you think about money positively, I promise it will be coming to you easily, effortlessly. When I think about myself, my relationship to money was always of fear, scarcity. When I think about it, why I have this relationship with money, I think it was inculcated in me by my parents. There was always fear around money when I was growing up. My dad told us that you really have to work hard in order to earn money. You have to sacrifice something to make money or to make something out of your life. And there was a lot of scarcity around money. I don't want to blame them. That's how much they knew. So that's what they taught me. But as I'm learning more, I can act better and I can teach better. I think by improving my relationship with money, I can attract more money, more prosperity, more abundance towards me. So we can improve our relationship with money. And improve relationship can only be improved when we know what is our relationship with money. For me, money is very important for a feeling of feeling safe, feeling in control. And there is a lot of fear around. And I always had this feeling that I am not capable enough to have a lot of money. So even when I had prosperity, I kind of threw my money around on things that were not very important to me, on people that really did not need money. I was a kind of a show off, just trying to show off that I feel secure, I have enough. Where within myself I was not that secure within. I always had that fear that we will lose it anyway, so why not just throw it out? I did not do these things knowingly. Of course, I did not on unconscious level, on subconscious level, I had this knowledge, this knowing that I am not capable enough to have enough. But on the conscious level, I did not know what I was doing. So when I think about it, now I know that this was the reason. I had this feeling of scarcity, not having enough, and I am not capable or not entitled enough to have enough money. So I am working on improving my relationship with money. As I'm making little progress, things are improving step by step. So this is what I am trying to tell you. Try to know what is your relationship with money. Is it of scarcity or is it of abundance? Are you much in control? When you think about money, do you think about comfort, luxury, happiness, more vacations, or are you too scared around money? Are you too stressed around money? If that's the case, try to change your relationship with money. And this relationship can be changed in variety of ways. When we talk about spirituality, it can be being more spiritual, knowing that you are children of universe. You are entitled to get what your parents have. That's your abundance around, and you should be able to go trap it, go get it by yourself. It is yours. It will be always yours. Just keep the relationship with the money, with the prosperity, with abundance positive. Never say any negative affirmations around money. Don't say that I don't have enough. Never say those words. Always say that I have enough. I feel secure. I have enough. Some people have this habit of saying, "Oh, I don't have enough. How can I give it to other people? Oh, I'm just living paycheck to paycheck." Even if you are living paycheck to paycheck, aren't you so so lucky that you're able to live paycheck to paycheck? So always say positive things and the more will come to you. Change your relationship with money. When I talk about spirituality and I talk about chakra balancing, money is your root chakra. Root chakra is the chakra of stability. You are secure. You are happy. You are complete within yourself. You have enough. Always say these words. Even if you are living in poverty and you have roof over your head, today if you have enough to feed yourself, today if you have enough to sleep in comfort, do not worry about tomorrow. When we were born, the whole system, the whole body is given to us. We were not taught how to take the first breath. There is enough oxygen in the air for everyone to breathe. There is enough for everyone to go around. There is enough for everybody to feed themselves. It is not that there is scarcity of food or there is scarcity of abundance. It is the scarcity within us. It is how we feel, how we think about things, what are our feelings. The better relationship we have with the prosperity abundance, the more we are going to attract. Never say negative things about money or prosperity, that you are not complete within yourself. You have enough. We have enough. We are going to change the relationship with money and we are going to improve it day by day. We will say that whatever feelings we had before, we did not know any better. I say to myself, I am not the same person I was when I was 7, 8, 9, 10 years older. And I do not have any grudges against my parents either. Whatever they knew, they taught me. And I know better now. So I act better and I teach better and I attract better to myself. As I say this, and I pray to God that everything you wish for comes in your life. Just make a promise to yourself that you will stay positive and you will not say negative words around money, around relationship, or around anything that you want to attract to yourself. When I talk about stability, the spirituality comes in for sure. The more spiritual you are, the more abundance you would be able to attract to yourself. By balancing your root chakra, you can attract more money towards. Do the meditation. Say affirmations. I am a magnet towards positivity and abundance. I am a magnet for money and abundance. I am a magnet to attract greater relationships, beautiful relationships. I have a beautiful family. I have a beautiful group of friends, and I am a magnet and I attract positivity. I attract money. I attract abundance. There is one technique called emotional freedom technique. So if you have negative feelings, negative relationship with money, change into positive feelings by saying these affirmations and doing a tapping technique. I will just give you a little hint how you do it now, and maybe in coming videos I will teach you more. So these are the tapping points, and when you say your affirmations, you tap on these points. I am a magnet towards money and abundance. 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 I will come back and I will talk to you more. And in this time period, I really pray that you get to attract whatever you wish for your life. And promise one thing, never say negative words around money or prosperity. With that said, I will sign off and I will meet you later.